Okay, hello YouTubers. This is the actual light now of my OLM 2500 lumens for my WRX low beam. Now I'm going to show you the actual brightness of the LED. Actually, I really like it. So let's turn on the headlight. Low beam first. There's the low beam. Let me turn off the light of the garage. You can see it's really bright. That's really bright. It's very white. It's off. That's my boomerang only. Then there's the low beam. Then there's my the high beam is included. So there's the high beam there. There's the low beam. High beam, low beam. These are both LED now. My WRX is only the premium, so it doesn't come with the LED. So I changed all the high beam and the low beam and the boomerang. So here's to show you the difference before compared to my Matrix. Has the same headlight before, the stock one of my this is the stock one of my WRX before. That's the stock light. Look how red that thing is. That's very red. Orange, I mean. See, compared to the see, that's my OLM 2500 lumens. Compared to that, orange. See, there's the low beam only. See, low beam. There's the see, it's really. Let's see on the front. You can see here it's like orange. Plus the WRX. It's see, you can tell. It's like orange here. On the wall. Here's look at that on the left wall. It's like orange. Here it's really white. I haven't tried it outside yet. It's still around 5:30 only here, so it's still bright. You know, it's still not dark outside. I'll just wait a few more hours, maybe around 7 o'clock, and then I'll test it outside. See, this is my I also changed the license plate LED now also, so it's white, and including all the inside. This the dome light is LED. The driver light is also LED. So these are all LED now. I really like it. But the fog light is still not LED. Nah, it's not important. The fog light is not important. But you can compare now how come the fog light won't turn on? Maybe the key is not inserted. Let's put the key. That's why. You can see the difference, the color. Because before they're all the same color. Oh, the fog light won't turn on now? What's happened? Fog light. fog light only works on low beam. If you're on high beam, it won't work. So there's the fog light is orange. So the fog light won't work when you're on high beam. Okay. Now I know. See, that's the Toyota Matrix headlight. That's the boomerang only. Boomerang LED. That's my LED. That's the bright. That's low beam. Look at that. Ooh, very, very bright. Love it. I love it. Thank you very much for watching.